In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 stuck on loading screen. So the first thing you can try is simply check if the files are corrupted on the game. So if you go to Epic Games and you launch Epic Games, and here I will show an example for this game. So for GTA, you can do the same thing to Red Dead Redemption. It's the same steps. So you would basically click on these three dots on Red Dead Redemption and then click on manage, then click verify files. This will verify the folders. Make sure that there are no corrupt or missing folders. This might take a few minutes because it's gonna go through all the folders, and once you're done you can exit Epic Games, and here you want to go to task manager, and here you want to make sure that you don't have any applications running in the background. So sometimes if you have applications running, this could trigger lag or trigger glitch in your game. So it's recommended that you just right click and then end the task for any unnecessary folders. Next thing you can try is you go to Windows Security. So if you go to Windows Security, you'll see the option to disable security options. So these options might be preventing your game from loading, and you can go here and go to manage settings. So if you disable real-time protection and dev drive protection, disable these and see if this fixes your issue. If they do, you can just come back and re-enable some of them. So this should be it, and hopefully this fixes your issue.